thing that you think makes her amazing actually now makes her
vulnerable.
Down here, she's any demon's plaything. Oh, she's really mad at you. I'm not detecting much pushback. Fight it, Astra. But if you can't, I totally get it. Oh, yuck. So chill. You're a nice guy? Yeah. Here's the thing about nice guys. They are all over the place down here in hell. The nicer they are, the more secrets they got buried. So, I wonder, what have you really got all locked up in here? Or maybe, is it nothing? You got... Oh, it's so boring! Boring! I'm bored.
Why did you follow me? I had this handled.
Yeah, no, duh. I saw what you did to that guy at the front desk. I just wanted to make sure you weren't triggered by being back.
What's that supposed to mean?
Hey, wait. Save it for the cameras. Please, no! No. I can't be here.
So you either think that I'm too weak to go solo, or I'm just gonna backslide into being a monster. I thought we were friends.
We are, but I don't want to talk in front of the cameras.
Well, is that really another option? You're still here because you followed me.
Well, I enjoyed every bit of that. And not just the chocolate, the sex was great, too. What's wrong?
Good morning. Good morning.